Join me as I challenge myself to visualize my future self through a powerful guided meditation and see what I can manifest. Visualization is a powerful tool for personal growth and achieving our goals. It's the process of creating vivid mental images of what we want to achieve, and it's a key component in manifesting our desires. By regularly visualizing our future selves, we can tap into our subconscious mind, build confidence, and gain clarity on our aspirations. When it comes to visualizing our future selves, many of us face common challenges that hold us back from manifesting our goals. One of the biggest obstacles is self-doubt. We often doubt our abilities, and we question whether we're truly worthy of achieving our dreams. This negative self-talk can be overwhelming, and it can prevent us from taking action towards our goals. Another challenge we face is a lack of clarity on our aspirations. We may have a vague idea of what we want to achieve, but we haven't taken the time to clearly define our goals. Without a clear vision, it's impossible to create a roadmap for success, and we'll often find ourselves stuck in a rut. Additionally, many of us struggle to quiet our minds and focus on the present moment. We're constantly bombarded with distractions, and it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. This makes it difficult to tap into our creative potential and visualize our future selves. Fear is another common challenge that holds us back from manifesting our goals. We may be afraid of failure, rejection, or the unknown, and this fear can be paralyzing. It's essential to recognize that fear is a natural part of the growth process, and it's only by facing our fears head-on that we can overcome them. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to relax and let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Close your eyes, and begin to focus on your breath. Feel the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body, and allow yourself to settle into the present moment. Imagine yourself standing in a peaceful, serene environment. It could be a beach at sunset, a mountain meadow, or a quiet forest glade. Take a moment to vividly picture the sights, sounds, and sensations of this place. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze in your hair, and the softness of the grass beneath your feet. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring to mind your desired future self. See yourself achieving your goals, living your dream life, and feeling fulfilled and happy. What does your future self look like? What are they doing, and how are they feeling? Take a moment to really connect with this vision, and allow yourself to feel the emotions and sensations that come with it. As you vividly picture your future self, bring to mind the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. What actions do you need to take, and what habits do you need to form? Allow yourself to see the process unfolding, and feel the excitement and anticipation of taking the first step towards your dreams. Here's a pivotal moment in our meditation. Take a moment to truly connect with your future self. Allow yourself to feel the emotions and sensations that come with achieving your goals. Feel the pride, the excitement, and the sense of accomplishment that comes with living your dream life. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to fully embody this energy. The key takeaway from this meditation is the importance of regularly visualizing our future selves. By committing to this practice, we can tap into our subconscious mind, build confidence, and gain clarity on our aspirations. Remember to take a few moments each day to quiet your mind, focus on your breath, and vividly picture your desired future self. If you felt connected to this meditation, please share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey and how you plan to incorporate visualization into your daily routine. And if you're ready to take your manifestation practice to the next level, be sure to check out my next video on powerful manifestation techniques. Thanks for joining me on this journey.